Indians love festivals, and the way they celebrate their festivals is a sight to behold. Full of colors, lights, and most importantly, full of energy. Today at Simply Chumma, we are going to talk about how Indians from different parts of the country celebrate Dussehra. Simply put, 8 different ways Indians celebrate Dussehra or Navratri. This is not a ranking video, but just a list. Before we get on with the list, the subscribe button and the bell icon are eagerly awaiting to celebrate this festival with you. Please click on them and show that you care. Number 8. Gujarat. One of the most awaited festivals in the colorful state of Gujarat is Navratri. Celebrated on the first 9 days of the Ashwin month, devotees fast for 9 days and worship the goddess Shakti. An earthen pot with holes and lamps inside, also known as Garbi, is lighted and women perform Aarti with it. During Navratri, Garba and Dandiya Ras are popular forms of dances performed by both men and women wearing their traditional dresses. Number 7. West Bengal, Odisha, Assam and Bihar. In the eastern part of India, Navratri is celebrated as Durga Puja and it is observed on the last 4 days of Saptami, Ashtami, Navami and Dashami. Durga Puja is the main festival of the people of West Bengal. Durga Puja is celebrated with great pomp and glitter in various parts of the state in big pandals, where large-sized idols of goddess Durga on her lion, demon Mahishasur and other gods' idols are erected. The celebrations of Durga Puja in West Bengal is a must-watch for everyone. Number 6. Tamil Nadu. Navaratri is also celebrated in Tamil Nadu as a religious celebration to seek the blessings of goddess Durga, goddess Lakshmi and goddess Saraswati in the 9 special nights. Friends, relatives and neighbors are invited and gifts are exchanged among them. One interesting feature as a part of the celebrations is the decoration of the Golu, which is actually a staircase of beautiful dolls and idols of gods and goddesses. The dolls are usually handed over from generation to generation. Number 5. Andhra Pradesh. The Golu celebration of Navratri in Tamil Nadu is celebrated as Batukamma Pandugu in Andhra Pradesh, which means Come Alive Mother Goddess. The 9 nights are dedicated to goddess Shakti. Women make beautiful flower stacks known as Batukamma, which is arranged with seasonal flowers. Women wear new saris and jewelry, perform puja in front of the Batukamma for 9 days, and then on the last day, they set afloat their Batukammas in a lake or any other water body. Number 4. Karnataka. It is a strange fact that even today, people in Karnataka celebrate the 9 nights of Navratri in the same manner as was celebrated way back in 1610 by the great Vijayanagara dynasty. Navratri is also known as Nada Habba in Karnataka. The rituals include elephants procession on the streets, including fairs and exhibitions of handicrafts and artifacts. The elephant procession in Mysore, Karnataka is a sight to behold. Number 3. Maharashtra. The celebrations are very similar to Gujarat. Navratri in Maharashtra implies new beginnings. Hence, purchasing of a home, a car, or new business deals or an engagement is very common during this time. Married women invite their female friends, put haldi and kumkum on their foreheads, and gift them with a coconut, betel leaves, and betel nuts. Each and every locality in Maharashtra has its own Garba and Dandiya night celebrations. Number 2. Himachal Pradesh. For the Hindus in Himachal Pradesh, Navratri is a huge celebration. Here the celebration starts on the 10th day of Navratri when the festival ends in other states. People celebrate the 10th day, also known as Kullu Dussehra, as the day of the return of Lord Rama to Ayodhya. On this day, the idols from the temples are taken out in processions. During the Navaratri festival, the devotees visit various temples in Kangra, Una and Bilaspur districts of Himachal Pradesh to worship the goddess Durga. Number 1. Punjab. In Punjab, the people fast on the first 7 days of Navratri and end their fast on Ashtami or Navami by worshipping 9 little girls and a boy, which is known as Kanjika. The Punjabis organize Jagratas where they keep awake the whole night and worship the goddess. What do you think of this list? This is not a ranking video, it's just a list of